So if I could just have attention, just 2 minutes. Right, so the first game is going to be an attack and defence. Their objective is to clear all of you out.
How do you get there then? I don't seem dicking about.
Shooting a marshal in the bollock.
Cock shot!
Yeah, I don't know what happened. Just heard, you're shooting a marshal in the bollocks, you're shooting a marshal in the bollocks, and then the same marshal was like, man down, game over. I don't think it was about his bollocks, they must have seen something after that.